How do manager and agent contracts legally differ? Imagine you are a talented athlete or entertainer trying to navigate the tricky world of contracts. Knowing the difference between a manager and an agent contract can save you from confusion and trouble. Let's break down what makes each one unique and how they operate within the law. Agents mainly focus on finding jobs and negotiating deals. Their job is to secure work in sports, movies, or music, and they get paid a percentage of what their clients earn. Usually, that commission is between 10 and 20%. Agents are responsible for contracts related to specific projects, like a film role or a sports contract. They handle the details of pay, duration, and what the client is entitled to. These contracts often specify the types of work the agent can pursue and how long the agreement lasts. Managers take a broader view. They help shape a talent's overall career. This includes branding, long-term planning, and personal growth. Managers might advise on which projects to accept or reject, help with marketing, and guide the talent's image. Unlike agents, managers are not always regulated by law, which means their contracts can be more flexible. But this also means their practices can vary a lot from one person to another. Legal rules for agents are strict. In many states like California and New York, agents must be licensed to work legally. They need to register with the state and follow specific rules to prevent exploitation. For example, the California Talent Agencies Act requires agents to register and follow certain standards. If they don't, they could face legal penalties. Managers, however, are not usually licensed or regulated in the same way. This gives them more freedom but also less legal protection. When it comes to contract details, agent agreements usually include how much commission they will take, what kinds of work they will handle, and how long the contract lasts. These are often standardized and governed by laws or unions. Manager contracts, on the other hand, often include clauses about exclusive representation, commissions on deals made during the contract, and sometimes after it ends. They may also include approval rights over certain projects, giving the manager a say in what the talent does. In practical terms, understanding these differences helps talents decide what kind of representation they need. Agents are best for securing immediate jobs and deals, while managers help build a long-term career. For example, a singer might want a manager to help develop their brand and image, while an agent helps land concert bookings or endorsement deals. In summary, legal regulations make agent contracts more standardized and focused on specific jobs. Managers have more freedom but less regulation, and their contracts tend to cover broader career planning. Knowing these differences helps talents choose the right support to reach their goals effectively.